Yes, afoy matek awati Bakers Fort kita wachken chamo ken abirwate kiwelona Grace Atim Oleyowiya chilu loch makan guyene wekwa nene wabedo kan wan ki welona Martin abi hosting so kaberu eneniti kan kache imero accommodation imero kaburu binati I Bakers Fort kamano ino accommodation giti kijami maduong magitimo so take your time we have been visiting kaberu. It's really very cool place kabortirwa malamal tikamukwe mangech just get neno kene so korape mano watie akeli Grace Atim Oleyowiya yubwa me Luo Gold music interview wa Martin Martin. It's really a big interview pien oberupe ke chawa ngenongo ngatumone matie nino duju tika tinu tiche. It's really very difficult ento jalo chawa ne for the love of music wachini Silver. I want to share with you kita jamino chake kere I want to share with my fans kita jamino chake kere kita dong atie kere wa kombedi eneye Grace Atim Oleyowiya uberu kere kan kikome so kwankari bene bini lim kaberuni werine jamimo kene matie. Otherwise, thank you very much. Yes, Delight Multimedia YouTube channel kita wachikere ne kare waberu ki legends luwe madon luwe magukela loga industry me music ikumalu me Uganda maka icharo luongo nying icharo neno mot ibinoni tinyi achiel manendo jumaro wire atirane ikina nyadwe Grace Atim Oleyowiya
Silver itienidi
atiwabe
afoy ratakete yeah
tika waka madid mada ki joma tika nenwa amete ki nyote kon wiye working e bogmogaramu bedi atemo introducing in cha we hojen mogoma now.
Okay,
yes
afoy to trial Silver ani akiliwane Atim Grace Oleyowiya bero nya Acholi ke karapa well.
Okay.
Ipa well atie Minister of Gender and Social Development.
Okay.
Aberu bene politician. Aberu kachung pikara malado. Put pia oi parliament, but once you're a politician, you're a politician. We are there in the pipeline.
Yes.
Mo wera yuere wilobaye wulok me we. Aberu la we. Aberu bela teach pagamente.
Yes.
So I'm a jack of all trade. I'm all round.
Wow.
Yes. But my parents are Acholi.
Acholi.
Yes.
Amita for inen very smartful. Blending roke meaning.
I'm in love with Karamoja.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm in love with Karamoja.
Okay.
That is why chawe na at least kicheli. Kawa atie imud me roke chalo ngad ma valuing culture me Uganda diversity me culture me Uganda anone pa Karamoja dong you are way chel
neno yorbe.
Yes, speed ba to grow now to cut and I stand out, so I love it.
Yes, and then again iwinyo otia nyuta kar na Grace amete iwacha kong career me music ichago we awene madong ichago donyo music.
Silver, this is a long time story.
That's
and my love for music started way back when I was a young girl in primary school. Lorman Music Festival, you know, we are not here, and most of the time now I'm the lead singer. Achako kwana ke Gulu Public School. Gulu Public School kakare me we no atika shiny.
Wow.
Kape mi la Acholi, no traditional folklores, folk songs, no ati here. So where uberugian ma anadon ya don. Traditionally, I come from a music family. Babana, the late Ferdinando Kulu, mane uberu Savea, mabero no uberu an international referee. No rubao me ire mitch, me goyo na, me composing we. Kaya na yana kumbeti, rutina pa well ma pol. Kaya na yana ujera bitol goyo na. Kaya na yana umera chelo goyo we kech ko manyera pa well so we tie komwa so adon ki we o were karema achero ka kwane lao after Gulu Public School achera kwane ambalal ma oy ambalal apunyo lebla ma be adada ane do la cha we lao
that's why we anymore
achero we National Theatre ka we lao.
Wow.
So music has always been in me. Igang wakanye paje pa well amaro ching pilok pa we
bodlu nyodo
bodlu tero ken gaw megina eni ka yin la cham laaj na goyo weni ka yin la chilu na goyo weni ka yin la wach kop na goyo weni ki kwora do yokulu eno megi na kazi zani ni we no do wati war kulu wachera no watingo gi wachoria wachera to mpigi jerka ngongo gini eni en we ma wer ni ajira luora be gi gamo especially ka wanero we lutera we be muni en makoma choli gwakti ka tuyo diel wachako we ne chon ti oluto wango lugo ko wa beno duwa wa maro ching loka we ma ana bedo ka chaka ni mafuda tidi so we has always been in me owero keje bedo ka kwan I've always been very active. Why is sacred art? Mati sacred art. Katin wati amielo rak ana ila chakwe. Because ma chedo ba me na duan. I have that big voice. So kadongi we mugo mero duan cho ayo chake. We bole duan cho ayo mero chake. So donki yinyo duan nyaka ma mero chake dong pegi no empo Oleyowiya na yedo bu chako we. No ba ruko chwala an mana da we ata ina li kharaj yo lora bo ko batitidi ngo ka ruko chwal choy na we la tena choy come wow so it's sacred art no ana la chak we o we o bero gen koma keje bed ni no amaro kwanto twal amero wachine where ye made me to stand out
strong
where ye kubedi ke penyo Oleyowiya ke wayno la weni
yes
but andano ma kwam kubere ma logo ni I all 2 bachelor's degree and a master's atibe ki diploma ma ko acha ko la ceremony kenyo so ka kwan akwano ento gin madano nge akere mo we ana yuek
we
I will overwhelm is lock me we and when in beno me leverage in politics because donye politics period
yes
but an mada bino ni en Oleyowiya al mego ma goyo we ma fonyo dano twali karma FDC no tek mo ko mala me Uganda ana bina tingo bandera pa NRM ento kuima ana no pi we piane kare ni chato NRM te kadada but daro neno ki bino ka nena ni wa mero winyo lok pala we ni tida goyo gi ki lok achane gi lok ti wa okay la weni benen chalo loko kenda te ma pare come so wero ane kuona a valuing way to twal why lok medini ana tila katoli ana we require ke chere bina church pian atiu Karmalaji Kampala I was attached to Father John Scalabrini ma goro tena choli polo wen no lege mbuya no gang teacher to wali tete mo kan ilego kwene na tiyo with steel and tube industries
okay
so muno au bino ka wilo materials megero nge an lok megero no wani ini nya chole yi wani nya tiba wani nya chole I ake kwena wa ake peje pa wel babani nya my wife Ferdinando Kulu why that's my friend ilego kwene was his next question awai ni alego boya church why no you are misplaced chak bino ka lega bina church Washington alege bina church I'm a member of Glorious Queen Choir ma choir eroni where I watch 60% actually nyojo ma aki ko malme Uganda kada kere yelo gwara ke mati ki ngo gini ene no dong 80%
wow
may he rest in peace Father John Scalabrini so music made me who I am and I'm very proud of it. Some people may underlook me because gitamani Oleyowiya la we mamua konye pere motimongo but we are people who are respected worldwide.
I think kunyono local it used to be choncha kitanero padano but currently people take it as professional.
Yes.
And kache waju kamanu in me luwaji ni la wengone kache uporo jami ma entie kedengo matika temipi noni you are it's really professional. So
yeah, sure.
Now, Grace, maybe your first recording studio, how was it? Piano and Maberka when you weni, Machel at first nangeni, either where Eagles production, new Diamonds production, etakara enuni because it was during those time. It was really band music. How was it?
Now, let me tell you how I started becoming very active in the music industry. Inge one more I can mapping tech wa beruka kwa Kampala. akwano A level like progressive quarter progressive Rubaga Road mapia guchero Boyogere.
Yes.
Now quarter, but I had this talent. Juliana Kanyobonzigi, I namo birugi awunyo nigi chiraka we kwa na Sabrina's pub. There used to be karaoke night.
Karaoke night, yes, in Sabina's.
Oh my God.
Yes.
So, Arbena dong, inyo yan kwa
si 2000 somewhere after dong.
Yeah. Wachere Sabrina's pub. Ka mako microphone me miming we mape mega ni eni. Aramo aki bamba na choko chene maramo cholo wa school fees.
Wow.
So I okay. En mej mala chwejo miyani don karbu cholo kwana. Bera wacha dani wea yo cholo kwana wea tina awake ni akwana way level. Wea yo cholo bene kwan palo tena. Pian tij mana tiyo ni numuchara ne no. So the supplementing kima no kime wea no wea tena kwana schools mabejo. St. Lawrence schools, Bishop Cipriano darong in school at least jo machwalo tena gikuno at least. Peno ni gitima beo twal. But at least no get affording. So, we ma ana chao chere karaoke o yapa dogola mapol. Eno dogola mapol yapa ye inge kar eno ni in the late 90s. Yes. No studios put pay Uganda. And macharo nya actually ono ngarmo pe makono marchia. Lok me makoching kona bilori. Ngaro marpe chia, ngaro no marchia pere. Wera ke mako ching airi namo biro ke mako ching Juliana guchere Nairobi gucha recording we wano wa gik go ke wero nga en karaoke ni pian ker mo pere ke choy we ker mo pere.
It's true.
So rubado konya mada tieko dong my diploma ati don ka kwano degree tij mati yo machele steel and tube industries po mi na ker ritual ento mano tij Advantage Communications. At least don't know mucha ni bebe. Owekada no atie located kama bera no tichok studio ma no you totally Kampala any Dream Studios.
Dream Studios. Yes.
We are no what at office we no tiki cementi. So ma tiki cementi Kenya Dream Studio ti Kenya winyo production makarmo mer ki Dream Studio. Ena welete. Awai niko anka bilobe na chero penkuno. Because no ti banya ichunya ni omero at least mejmala chojo miani eni olo to bene akat ki wemo inge wachere stake out Luo night luwe pol gi karo ero la wema mego mamero kar ma nyaga nyo mamego mamero kare peke that's how I know we have a gap here. So I took that advantage achere studio apenyo guyeni giye me promoting an kita kere ki Northern Uganda bero gumi a discount.
Wow.
Kimi na bero producers ma better ma producing ki Bobby Wine. Getting your studio, you know, for me and Bobby Wine,
yes,
Eddie Yahweh.
Eddie Yahweh, yes.
That producer is Tony Halls. And
Halls,
most of my music, Tony Halls are you producing. So if you can, you know, put go obsession money.
Obsession.
Awai, okay. Kadon class, I don't care. One week you don't catch it. I tell away Megan, a bit more. And Roba for me, I made me go like Kubukuba. Kay neno jene na dok part manak.
Yes.
Barangeni chochok be la kubukuma ulo to wanga yen la goy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again.
So so achere studio wachako tijwani Tony Halls 2006. Agoy well. Now ma goy we. Ingeo ke goy we ni wakati wala radio kibe maro ke jepere. Walonge ki we ni te Kampala work e jepa na jal. Kawa kama chuliti inge wete bolla kiriko wo kero jal na daro war ke war ene dok pat ba awai okay yela pere. So imwa ene 2006 atemo tie awuma manog kilwoni
marugik joka ze joka
ze jokono tikweya
joka pangeyo kamati ye cha
muze joka ye ngobiro Kampala wayo Oleyowiya mia we ate I radio stations pian bena ti upati ki chao me what to me dugo up country. So muze joka kelo cha me radio we na I radio stations. It did not take long. Where Glory was my second release. Hitting ma we hitting area der dong cha dong Luo Gold in a show. Launching. 2007 I launched in Luo Gold Indoor Stadium. I profile Acholi, Magiti Kampala, Kijoma Aki Gumalame Uganda Gumi in a support. And I think that was the journey. So Wegulori album sold me nationally and internationally. And afterwards, I again released another album, Manok Dok. Yeah, it sold me. Some songs sold. But the problem we have in the North, they can promote one song in an album.
Yes.
And they leave the rest.
Then, yeah. Well.
So when mukene, ni lera, when mu hitting, kadi chilling Johnny amen na yikiri, gulukan ngata ngayope. Ni lugwara kuja, we mukene da hitting. Ni ajumani, we mukene yo hitting. But that music I think was all round. And it really sold me, and I was nominated for the Palm Awards. I did not win the Palm Awards, but at least being nominated, I think was really something big for me. So that has really been my music journey.
Wow.
Yeah.
I take a Delight Multimedia YouTube channel.
Yeah.
As if I was watching a movie. Very interesting.
Yeah.
You're not much subscribing to channel. We're in any taking human. Now, the album match, where did? I
had seven songs. I had 7 songs.
Okay.
Yeah, if I can remember, it was Wegulori, Iloyo Giweng, Karichilingo, Chandarabin, Adoro Walk. There's another song. I had about 7 songs really in the first album.
Then the second album
had 9 songs.
Had 9 songs. No?
Yes.
Do you check or why? Yeah.
I check or
don't. Okay.
Then afterwards, I started like composing songs for events. Inge karma dong luan do check. Madong luan dong tika tum dong. Ping not your dog ping. That's when I got a lot of contracts. Go away como gero work down to ger kin gang. Go away kumbedi down tika dog chien pajo. Inge karma pistok juba kon.
Pistok juba, yes.
I go away.
Okay.
Ma was talking about the voice of the women in the peace talk, because most of the times, kitiucho, ena gitero gikalar lok me kelukuch, endo ke weko mono kon one mona chao ke wadeno chan to
block.
Yeah, but kineno wa kikero wa ochen. So kala lok me kuche pingo pe kiket. Why actually kan jo mago chako nyayo yo me nyanyo yo me lok me kuch. If I may mention bego better be go begi and pe mego tipping ka dong chero dong kala lok me kuja dong mondo ino nyiga chela rio gwak ma MP pingo pe kwan megi wa making gang ma bene gitie ma they were really affected from by the effects of the war. So aware we and lok juwa peace talk, aware we kum dok pajo down the way camp, down the gang we book at Rochobu. That song I think was sponsored. That program was really a project man Nuta, taking up. Yeah, go supporting one who wore IDP camps, Kaloki down up and joke and no good moho. Peggy ye dog pajo. So war kilo way my pole to one guano gay and boss me go team giano. War kabir ma pole, wa loro gidano, we dano, we camp, good dog gang. We mukene mena tell look we ma pegi promoting ki promoting en me ma guru kum dara de dara mero but we mo aponyo we mukene ma aware don kirmo mero wa rojo kede loñ do tum wa do gang no wa chaxo nga